Welcome to Home Blitz. Today we are going to make a super and spicy soya pulao. I am going to wash 2 cups of basmati rice and soak it in water. I have taken 1 cup of soya. Add some boiling water and leave it for 15 minutes. Once the soya are double in size, we can drain the water. In a pan, I have taken half tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. 5 to 6 cashew nuts, half bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 cinnamon stick. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green chili, 1 onion, saute them until they are golden brown, some salt. Now they are nice and soft, add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, saute for a couple of minutes, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, the soya that we have made earlier on. A handful of mint leaves and coriander leaves, four cups of water. Once they are boiling, let's add the 2 cups of rice that we have washed and rinsed earlier on. We can close it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Our tasty and spicy soya pulao is ready. Please do try this recipe at home. If you like it, like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Blitz. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next video.